Just got on site here right now. As you can see, we're doing the incredible. We always do. As you can see our crane, see where we at, where we put this. That conversion right here.
All tricks.
You can see right here. That's what we did. Okay, let's get a full-blown conversion here. All new ductwork, as you can see. All new ductwork. Putting this Mitsubishi in this closet. Everything brand new. Full remodel here in a condo. Close to the water, Bayview, Fort Lauderdale. See, we're real tight with this door right here. I'm gonna cut this back, make everything right.